Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. No, I'm not posing for some graduation pictures. I'm showing off these adorable whimsical socks by albagu. If you are looking to add a touch of whimsy to your wardrobe, then this is the way to do it. These are a thinner sock, perfect for the springtime, and they are nice and breathable. I love the print on them. It's such a cute little design with the daisies, and then how they mixed and matched the colors, especially if you're someone who likes jewel tones and earth tones, then these are definitely going to be a great fit for your wardrobe. I do wear a size 8, 8.5 shoe, and I found that these socks were very comfortable to wear for me. They did not feel tight at all, but they also didn't feel like they were going to slide down. I've really just been having a good time wearing these socks, pairing them with different things, and I would absolutely recommend these, but that's my point of view.